Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make egg curry. So in a hot pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, some paprika and curry powder, add some boiled eggs, toast them for about 2 minutes, add some more vegetable oil and some red chopped onions. Cook them for about 5 minutes until they turn golden brown. Then you're going to add the garlic and ginger paste, or my match made in heaven. Then some blended tomatoes. I should have added some, and then some salt. Then I should have added the curry powder in that stage, but I forgot. The tomatoes should cook for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to add some plain yogurt.
Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded. Even on an island by ourselves. Girl, you make me happy, can't you tell? If I gotta be stranded, then I wanna be stranded with you.
Then add your eggs and let it boil for about 20 minutes. Or until everything thickens. "20 minutes later, the sauce is ready, the eggs are ready. Add some coriander, and that's it. Thank you for watching this week's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and I'll see you on the next one.